Hi there! Welcome to SEL Storytime with Counselor Keri. Let's get ready for another story. Sometimes I feel confused. There are so many feelings. All of my feelings are okay. Sometimes I feel confused. It's okay to feel confused. Everyone feels confused sometimes. Confused is a feeling we have when we don't understand things, or when things don't go like we expected them to. Confused is a feeling we have when we don't understand what others are saying, or when we don't understand why others are acting a certain way. Confused is a feeling we might have when we learn or try something new for the first time, or when something doesn't quite make sense. No sliding. When I feel confused, my face might be scrunched up. When I feel confused, I might want to give up, keep quiet, or not try again. When I feel confused, I might need some extra time to think. When I feel confused, I might need a quiet space to try again. When I feel confused, I can help myself feel better by taking a short break before coming back to the problem or situation. When I feel confused, I can help myself feel better by using my words to remind myself that I am still learning and growing. When I feel confused, I can try to remember how my teacher or someone else solved this problem before. I can do that too. When I feel confused, I can help myself feel better by trying a new strategy. When I feel confused, I can think about a time when I had a similar problem or situation. I can think about what I did then. Can I do that now too? When I feel confused, it's okay to ask someone for help. People want to help me. Confusion comes and goes. It doesn't last forever. What helps you feel better when you're confused? Be sure to subscribe for more SEL Storytime favorites.